Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to look at the delivery I just got from Sparkles Delight. This is one of those small Etsy shops that I absolutely adore. This is the second order that I've placed from her. And I didn't know her name, now I do. It's Vanessa. And I doubt that she's watching this, but just in case, Vanessa, thank you. This is awesome. So I did pay for this. Like, I folded this so you guys don't see the total in my address, like I did last time. So I ordered 4 kits. This one is for the classic happy planner, and then these 3 are for the big happy planner. And it says on here, personalization not required on this item. I don't know what that means, so I'm actually going to have to ask her because I have no idea, like, what was I supposed to put in there. This one doesn't say that, so clearly I messed up something. So anyway, 4 kits. We're going to look at them. I'm going to show you guys this again. This is the little free sticker sheet that you get. It says Happy Mail. We got a pine cone. Her Instagram is _sparklesdelight, and it's sparklesdelight.etsy.com. Her name is Vanessa, and you're about to see more of the awesome work that she does. I highly recommend her. Okay. And I'm not affiliated with her in any way. I just like her stuff. So this is the classic size kit, and it's called Cindy. It's called the Cindy collection. And I looked at it, and as soon as I saw the pumpkin carriage, it became very clear that this is Cinderella reimagined. And this is really just pretty. Such stunning colors. I love this cat. I love this whole thing. Considering this is a princess kit, I would actually probably use the person in here. And then we got 3 boxes down here. I mean, that just gorgeous. Alright, so now we've got half boxes, quarter boxes, and the box size that I don't know what it is. And some washi strips. And these have flowers and pumpkins and little bow clips. That's really pretty. And we've got date covers, 2 different designs. Nice big deco pumpkin carriage, scalloped washi strips, small boxes for appointments or whatever you need them for, full month of dates. And then we've got to-dos, littles, today, work to buy, do, goals to clean, errands, important, and these are all like headers in different colors. And then you've got the ones with the icons, which if you don't want to use the icon, you could cut it off or cover it up with something else. And then we've got, it's kind of like a deco sheet. So we've got a weekend banner, icons like doctor appointment, house, trash, phone, laundry, that kind of stuff. Workout, movie night, vacuum day, birthday, relaxing time, date night, coffee date, play day, or payday, not play day, lazy day, 3 bow checklist. You get 6 of those. It's a pretty flower, teardrops, bullets. I still don't know if those are snowflakes or flowers or just asterisks. I'm not sure. Flags, my favorite habit trackers, Bill Do stickers, more washi strips, 2 decorative boxes, this really cute vase of flowers. Look at this crown, that is so cute. And then if you have a varying work schedule, you've got stickers to put in your hours. And then these, let's see, I messed up what they were last time. Okay, so these are ombre checklists in 4 different colors. So they're 5 go checklists. So that's really cool because I love this kind of thing. And then we've got this sheet which has reschedule, no school, snow day, notes today, important, groceries, adulting, work, to call, to do, and then this week, and it's got the Monday through Sunday. And then these are boxes. Oh, don't ruin the box. I always end up ruining something by accident. And then, what were you? I'm trying to remember. It's been, what, a month since I got one of her. These are boxes or strips. No, these are all individual boxes. And what were you? Oh yeah, okay. So these are washi strips of varying size. So like one of these is going to be really thick, right? Yeah. So there's like a thick one, so you could rip it or cut it however you want. And then there's the thinner ones, and then these boxes. That's really cool. So this is the classic sized kit. It's called Cindy, because you can't use Cinderella unless you pay Disney a lot of money. It's really just, that's gorgeous. I really like this. Right, so we'll put that over there. So I ordered 4 kits. So the rest, these other 3 are for the Big Happy Planner, because, you know, I'm obsessed with the Big Happy Planner. So this one is called the Cambria collection. I have no idea what that means. It's just a name, but this is really just adorable. Adorable stuff. Like, this is really cute. I'm thinking February, obviously, for this. And then it looks like there was an issue getting it all printed on one page. So here's the habit trackers, the bill dues, the teardrops, some flags, the bullets, the work stickers. There's a hanger with some cute hearts on it, and a heart with coffee mugs hanging off it, and 2 decorative boxes, and this XOXO box. And then, like, normally this is all one sheet. So you've got the icons, the weekend banner, workout, happy mail, relaxing time, date night, coffee date, the usual stuff. This is washi strips. And then your 8 3-bow checklists. And then you've got your 2 pages of, I think they're the same thing, right? Yeah. Right? Yeah. Okay, so we got 2 sheets of the ombre checklists, which we know I love those. So that's, I love the checklist. And you can do so many more than one spread out of these kits. So we've got like bigger boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes. I'm so bad with the box sizes. I need like a box sizes for dummy, like sheet that shows the sizes and explains what they're called. Oh dear. So that's my dog Piper, who we were actually going to talk about in a minute or two, going crazy because the Amazon man is here. Good grief. Sorry about that. Okay, so this strip, I'm leaving that in, by the way. You guys should know that my dog is crazy. So we got the washi strips, right? Yeah. And more boxes, cute bow clips on them. And like, these kits are huge. So you've got to-dos, littles, today, and then, you know, work to buy, do, goals to clean, errands, important, and then the boxes with the icons. And then we've got more, these are all individual, yeah, small boxes over here. The date covers in 2 different styles. The scalloped washi strips, and then we've got this little tray with this cup that says love, and these flowers that say kisses, and this little, it's kind of like one of those ladder shelf things, I guess, maybe, with the bear and love, and that's just so cute. This is gonna be great for February. And then we've got the this week with the boxes for each day of the week. Look at the cute bunny. That's so cute. And then like reschedule, no school, snow day, notes, today important, groceries, adulting, work, to call, to do. And then we've got more boxes here. Those are cute. Please don't ruin the box. I always ruin the boxes. Maybe. And then this is love across it, but it's 2 different boxes, so you can line them up if you want to. And then these should be our varying sized washi strip stickers and some solid color boxes. And that is this kit, which is called Cambria, which I think is gorgeous. It is going to make my February planners look really good. Okay, now the reason we were going to talk about my dog in a minute. This is the 3rd kit I bought. This is a Big Happy Planner kit, and it's called the Piper Collection. So, I mean, I love the kit, but then when I saw what it was called, I was like, oh, well, I have to get that because, you know, my dog. Not that there's dogs in here, but that's my dog's name. So these are the decorative boxes. These are all really cute. There's a person, but like it's the back of the, maybe back of people might be okay. I don't know. I get so much stuff with people in it now. It's starting to make me wonder if I'm just crazy. Okay, so we've got all the reschedule snow day to do. This is a Christmas kit, so I'm hoping on Christmas Day to have a whole bunch of me decorating Christmas spreads and just like some kind of Christmassy free YouTube music in the background, so you guys have something to watch. I may or may not have mentioned that already, but this will definitely be featured in that. So we've got the words up here. We've got this week. I think that's supposed to be an ornament. And then we've got the plain boxes, we've got the decorative boxes, the washi strips of varying sizes, weekend banner, icons, all the usual words, birthday, relaxing time, laundry, the 8 3-bow checklist flags. Look at this cute ornament. I don't know if you can see the texture on it. Like, I mean, it's not textured, it's flat, but it looks really cool. And you got the bills due, the habit trackers, teardrops, flags, bullets, work hour stickers, this really cute mug, the cute card. These were, I don't know if it was all of them. Yeah, like this is a bigger sticker, that's a bigger sticker. So that's cute because they all match. And then there's like gifts and a wreath over here. It's like the wreath from this door, which I think the door's back there too. So that's really cool. I like those. And you got washi strips over here. And the to-do littles today, work to buy, and then the ones with the icons, 2 sets of date covers, a set of monthly dates, all these small boxes. Look at this cute little thing. That's like a Lazy Susan type deal with a whole bunch of Christmas decorations on it. And then you got scalloped washi down here. And then we've got more decorative boxes in sizes I don't understand. So this is like a kind of washed out version of that double door sticker. And then this is all greenery and the mistletoe on the smaller boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes, I don't know. Someone make me a descriptive thing and I'll stop not knowing what they are. Alright, so these are washi strips up here. I keep worrying that the stuff's not in the screen, and that time it wasn't. So these are washi strips. These should be all decorative boxes. As long as I don't pick the whole thing up, I don't ruin it. These have cute little like candy cane colored ribbons on them. I love these bears and those trees. This stuff is so cute. So we've got the 5-bow checklists, the ombre ones in 4 different colors, and a second sheet of those because you can't have enough of these. At least I can't. So that's this one. This is called the Piper collection. So this one is called the Becca collection. Again, it's the big happy planner size. So I saw these florals and I had to have it. So these are just gorgeous. I don't know which way is up. I'm thinking this way. But then that one makes me think I'm wrong. Alright, so what do you guys think? Is this the way this is up with that little thing pointing down, or is this up with the little thing pointing up? You guys tell me, because I'm not sure. Or do they? No, they wouldn't go sideways because they're for a big happy planner. Alright, so tell me which way you think they go, because I'm not sure. And we've got the date covers, scalloped washi. That's a pretty vase of flowers. All the smaller boxes, the month worth of dates. That's always a cute sheet. And then we've got the this week with Monday through Sunday, and all these smaller boxes, washi of varying sizes, schedule, reschedule, no school, snow day, groceries. You'd think I'd have these memorized by now. Adulting, work, to call, to do, today. And then we've got the the icons and the weekend banner and some more. I think these are washi strips, right? Yeah. Some more washi strips, bullets, flags, teardrops, bill due, decorative boxes. These cute little floral sprays, I like these. My habit trackers, the 8 3-bow checklists, the work hours. These decorative boxes are particularly pretty. I really like these. And then the usual kind of stuff: coffee date, birthday, relaxing time, laundry, payday. All stickers that we need and use all the time. And then you've got these headers: today, to do, littles, work, to buy, do, goals, to clean, errands, important, and then the ones with the icons. And then this is more. Okay, good. More washi. And then decorative boxes and more decorative boxes, and these have the little floral sprays on them. I really like those. This is going to be like a February or March thing. Or maybe winter florals. Probably February or March. We'll see. I really like them though, so I don't know how long I'll be able to have them sit in my collection before I want to put them on paper. And then we've got the bigger boxes and the smaller boxes with the sprays. And then we've got our 2 sheets of ombre 5-bow checklists. I love the checklists. So this is everything I ordered. The last time I checked, I don't know if it's still going on, so your best bet is to go on her Instagram, which is _sparklesdelight. There is an S on sparkles. It's plural. There's no S after delight. And check her posts, because when she's having a sale, she posts it. When I ordered this, the code was something like SNOW21, and I got 50% off. So you might want to go check out her Instagram and see what kind of sales she's got going on. I think I posted something, or at least I meant to, on Instagram. There were a whole bunch of small shops having Christmas sales. And I don't know how long that is going on either. I don't even know if that started. It might be after Christmas. I don't remember. So she promotes that, so you should check that out. So this is the Becca collection. This is the Piper collection. This is the Cambria collection. And then this is the classic size Cindy kit. I don't know how long I can wait to use that one. It's just gorgeous. I also need to find out why my camera is like constantly shaking. I have a feeling, I have a good feeling based on the battery warnings on the outside of a certain box that came, that perhaps Santa Claus has purchased me the camera I wanted for Christmas, which was like the biggest thing on my wish list. Like everything else was like tiny stuff. It was like, I really just want this one thing, please. So I think I got it. In which case, once I learn how to use it, the videos will be much better quality. But I have to learn how to use it. So we might have some stumbles along the way. We'll see. But that's if I'm right. I think I'm right. I hope I'm right. I'm very excited for Christmas now. I really shouldn't have said that, because I think he watches my videos. Sorry, but you know, the battery stickers. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. And I'll see you in the next one.